aka XAUUSD, became very easy to trade since I started using this strategy. In this video, I'm going to break down the strategy I used and the trade I took on gold and how I was able to make 2K trading XAUUSD. Me and my student has been making tons of money trading gold. You can see this screenshot here, you can see this, and you can also see this screenshot here. If you want to make anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 a week or a month or even more than that, then click on the link in the description box to join our mentorship program where students like you are making money every day. Without further ado, guys, let's head straight to the main reason for this video. Okay guys, this was a trade I took on Friday on gold. Alright, so as you can see, this is a 5-minute time frame on gold, and as you can see, this is around 1 to 4 risk to reward ratio. I was risking $500 to make $2,000 on this trade. That was how I was able to make 1 to 4 risk to reward, and as you can see here, risking $500 to make $2,000. Now let's go to 1 hour time frame. Let me break down the reason why I took this trade on gold and how I was able to make money. So right now, as you can see, the gold market was on a bullish move. This is a 1 hour time frame. The gold market was on a bullish move, and as you can see here, let me identify that real quick. We are having a series of what? A higher highs and a higher lows. We have higher highs, we have higher lows. We have higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. All right, this was the level I took the trade. I was expecting the market to pull back to my POI, point of interest, on the 1 hour time frame, and as you can see, the market came all the way down here to my level of POI. Now, why did I take this trade? As you can see here, you all know I trade a break and retest. We have a resistance here, right? We have a resistance here, all right? So now, this was the resistance as at this moment, just like this. This was the resistance as at this moment, all right? Now, I plot my resistance zone around that level. Then I was only waiting for the market to break my resistance, pull back to retest on my POI, point of interest, which the market did, all right? Then what happened there was CPI, all right? So it was a CPI that came back to retest as at that level. It was a CPI that came back to retest as at that level. So let me show you guys something real quick, all right? And as you can see here, this was the trade that I was supposed to take, all right? But in my trading plan, I don't trade news, all right? I'm not a news trader. I saw this trade. This was my setup, a break and retest. For you guys, if you don't know, or if you've been following me for a while, you should know that I only trade a break and retest. I don't trade any other trade. I don't have any other trading style. It's only a break and retest I trade. So now, as I can see here, I know that a morning star will be creating here, right? A morning star will be creating here. My stop loss then was 30 pips. So right now, I was expecting the market to go around 1 to 5 risk reward around this level. And what happened there? It was a CPI. I don't trade news, right? So I let it go. So as you guys can see, what happened here now? There's still another green movement here, as you can see. So right now, the market started retracing after the news, right? We have a higher highs and we have a higher lows. So the market refused to give us another higher highs. That is when I know the gold market will be dropping, all right? So now, first of all, I drop my my key zone here, which is my mini resistance. I drop it here. You can see it for the market to break it. After the market was pulling down, I thought the market would stop here. Then we have a very long weak rejections, right? We have the market coming to this level. I know that if this market comes to touch this level, the market will push, then price to push to the upside, all right? So now the market retraces, pull back to touch this level. You understand? Then after pulling back, that was how I was able to enter on this trade. That was how I was able to take this buying opportunity. And as you can see, 1 to 4, then I hop out. So let's go down here. Let me show you guys something real quick. After the gold market drop, you can see all the drop all the way from this level to this level. So how many pips is that? Let me see. How many pips is that? This is 600 and this is about 600 pips, all right? So now this was the second trade here, and as you can see here, this is late hours already. So you can see we have a retest here, we have a higher highs here, then we have a higher low, then the market break. I know the market will come retest to give us another higher highs. There wasn't a confirmation by this time. I let it go, then the market retraced back, pull back, and as you can see this level, the market still give us another weak rejection here, which is I take this trade on a 3-minute time frame, which is where I saw my candlestick confirmation. Let me show you guys something real quick. On the 3-minute time frame, now as you can see, this candle is a healthy candle, and I know this type of candle already. I know it won't be coming. I know this candle won't be going up anymore. And as you can see, it's a very long wick rejection here, you get. So that was how I was able to take this trade again. And as you can see, this trade here, it was 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, and boom, TP was here, and what again, we have a resistance here. That was how I was able to know that yes, this market will be respecting this resistance zone, and that is why I hopped out at this level. So guys, this is a strategy I use in trading gold, and this is a strategy that I used to risk $1,000 to make $2,000. If you've not watched the risk to reward video, which I posted after this video, then I want you to click to check the description box. Now I'll be pasting the link there, or you can check my next post. All right, so now if you want to contact me, you can contact me on Telegram, right? Click in the link in the description box again. Check the description box, guys. You will see contact me on Telegram, then send me a message on Telegram. All right, if you like this video, I want you to like, share, then comment, then turn on post notification to get notified whenever I drop new video. Peace.